So I'm going to pick up the trailer for the coffee cart. Gotta let me in here somehow though.
So I got it in the white and the black. It's gonna have the same options.
Uh-huh. The Victory ones are cheaper, so I don't like these. But this one is nice. This is the one I'm going to be getting. So somebody reserved the trailer I wanted, that white one I just showed you guys in the video. So I worked it out to where I could drive out to Salem and pick it up before they close. So they're waiting for me there, but this is how it typically goes with this kind of stuff, and it's a lot more time consuming than you plan, but that's all right. This is more like it. They saved the one here. So, about to hook it up. So there's going to be a lot going on here in the next starting today for the next few months. But the plan is to get a tarp over the trailer because I'm going to be cutting the doors off and it's raining out here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure to see how far up I can cut, or if I even should. And then I already got dimensions for the generator and verified them with the wheels on to see if they're going to fit through the door I'm going to fabricate. So yeah, so I did my job properly, I guess. It's 27 inches with the wheels on, so I got 28 3/4 here. So it looks like I'm just going to weld 1 by 1 or 1 by 2 right there. I'm going to do the same thing I did with the Quinn. It's going to go straight up. And I'm going to put more supports on this trailer. I'm going to put maybe 2 or 3 on each side, and obviously the door in the center. So I got a lot of measuring to do. I got some cutting to do with these doors. What I'm going to do is cut these hinges off and reuse them for the new door. So we'll see how it goes. I love doing damage to these trailers. So the doors are off. What I do now is I got my distance set. Generator is going to be in here, is going to be able to get pushed in here eventually. And so what I'm working on now is I have a 1 by, I don't know if that's 2 or, I think that's a 1 by 2, 1/4 inch thick wall. These are very thick, pretty heavy. And I got 1 bys that are 0.65 in thickness. These are really light, and I'm going to use that for the rest of the support. All right, let's talk about a little progress today. I got these, need a better camera. I cut the doors off, and I'll be quiet outside, not to wake anybody up, but the rear doors are off. The supports for the new door, everything's measured out. Everything's cut to size. I started tack welding all the pieces together. Tomorrow I'll probably finish that up. And then I need to figure out where my hinges are gonna go. I'm probably gonna weld another brace going all the way down so that I could adjust all my hinges and stuff. And then I need to cut a hole into the other side for my lock. That won't happen until I purchase the lock. It's all little things in the shop, but the 220 plug is making a huge difference in the welding. I could already feel it.